Guys, we're going apple picking. Jar Jar, you ready? Show me your basket, Jar Jar. Come taste the apple. He wants to pick his own. You can have it. Oh, did you see those? We're gonna pick some Jonah Gold, right? The sweet one. Or Gala, but I didn't see if they had a Gala. You found 24? Oh yeah. 24. Look, there's some at the top. Go get those. Okay, go ahead. Oh, look, I see one at the bottom. Do you see it?
Yeah, be careful so you don't poke yourself.
Yeah, go ahead, baby. Show me. All right, put it in there. And look, there's another one there too behind it. Can you get it? Let me see.
I grabbed it now.
Oh my gosh. Your son is just grabbing things, babe. Let me see how many apples you've had so far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ooh. Beautiful day too. What's that, Jar Jar? Say hi.
Right next to it.
Where is it?
Next to that butterfly. So big.
Oh, that was so cute. We got.
Right now?
Oh my gosh, look at this shiny one. And we got some apple juice. Jar Jar, how was apple picking? Good and awesome. Tell people that. Why are you looking at the camera?
That's so fun. And I want to get this shiny apple to color my pool.
That's right. You guys, pigs. Oh my gosh. We're about to check them out. I want to see little piglets. Oh, look at the brown one. Oh my gosh, Jar Jar. What do they sound like, Jar Jar? Can we see the baby ones?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, hold on, let me zoom in. Oh my gosh. Where? Oh my gosh, look, he's coming. I want you to come right here, baby. People are probably like, what are these people doing? Oh, now we created a thing. Oh my